In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert bookmarks inside of Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so bookmarks make it easy to jump to specific sections of a long document, and they're especially useful for reports, manuals, ebooks, or any document with multiple chapters. You can also link directly to a bookmark, making navigation much faster for both you and anyone you share the document with. Okay, first you want to go ahead and open up your Google Docs document and scroll to the location where you want to add a bookmark. So for this demonstration, I'm going to scroll down to chapter 4. Now, a bit of a tip here, it's common to place bookmarks at the beginning of headings or important sections. Now, once we've done that, we want to go ahead and click on the insert button at the top of the page. Then from there, we need to go ahead and click on bookmark. So click on bookmark, and you can see there's a little bookmark next to this. So yeah, basically a small bookmark icon will appear next to your cursor or heading, indicating the bookmark has been added. And then we want to go ahead and highlight the text you want to link. So I want to go ahead and highlight this title here, chapter 4, the final discovery. Then from there, we want to go ahead and insert a link. So on Windows, you want to click on Control and K, or if you're on a Mac, Command and K. Or alternatively, click the insert link button in the toolbar. And then from here, I want to click onto headings, bookmarks, and tabs. Then from here, I want to link this to chapter 4, the final discovery. Then you can see this has been linked to chapter 4, the final discovery.